You're back for another video. Thanks. I feel honored. Oh, alright. So, my name is Monty the Chef. Today, we are going to be making a delicious BLT sandwich. But not any ordinary BLT sandwich. We are going to be making a Monty the Chef BLT sandwich. Let's go. Alright, so what you're going to need first, you need lettuce. Check. Tomato. Check. Pickles. Check. Mayonnaise. And syrup. Oh, and obviously bread and bacon. Our bacon and bread is actually ready, so let's go pull that out. So what I did with the bacon, I put a little bit of syrup on each bacon piece and I spread it around like this. Just a little bit of syrup though. I just got like swoop, 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 swoop. And so I'd gotten the bacon from my mom, but before I got the bacon from my mom, she didn't just let me cook it. No, I'm not that responsible. I'm responsible, but I'm not that responsible. And so what she did, she cooked the bacon, as you know, and so then she gave it to me. Yeah. And then so what we're gonna do with the bacon? It's not hot. Okay, that's good. It's not hot. And so what we're gonna do with the bacon? There's two sides. This side is toasty, and this side not toasty. It's soft, and so that's good. We want that. We want one side to be soft because if one side's soft, we can put everything there, like the mayonnaise. It'll be set on there and it'll soak into it, I guess, yeah. And so then the other side, this will go on the bottom like this, so it holds it together. And so what we're gonna do, we're going to take our breads like this, toasty side down. And do like that. And we're gonna take some mayonnaise that we had, just set it on there and just spread it around. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take your lettuce and so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your knife, so we're just gonna chop this much off. Right. Yes, perfect. And so we're just going to cut this, and then we're gonna have multiple layers. So we're just gonna cut that, and then that, like this. I'm gonna take this, put this here. We're not gonna put it on just yet. And so I'm just gonna take this and just cut it like this. Alright, now that's cut. We can set these over here. Now it's to the tomatoes now. So a little bit of tomato, some more tomato, and then we'll place that there. Set this aside. Bring this right here. Now we can focus on this bad boy. What you're gonna need, you're gonna take your bacon pieces, just set it on there. I'll set it on that side as well. Why not? We're gonna take our lettuce and just set it on there. And take our pickle as well. And then you hold it like that and press down. And so what you're gonna do, you're just gonna, looks like a disaster. And it's fine, as long as it tastes good, right? I'm just gonna cut it in half. And there you go. You got yourself BLT sandwich. Not bad. This is actually like delicious. Like, it's a mess, but it's actually like really, really good. So, So, these are my lovely siblings, and they're gonna try fantastic food. Marcus,
Thank you.
Mia.
Thanks.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
How dare you?
This is really good, actually.
Imagine if it was bigger.
Do any more?
I'll make more.
Okay. Can you teach me?
Sure. Are you for real?
You can if you go check out his YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa! I'll watch your video then.
Oh.
Yeah.
And like it.
Yeah.
And if you subscribe and hit the bell, you can get notified every time you post a video.
What? What? Let's do it right now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. And comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Okay, bye.